Alright, this is dinner number 2. Oh my god, I'm having a reaction. So I'll make this real quick so I can eat my food. This is hospital food number 2. Salad, ranch dressing. Delicious. Want some mandarin oranges. Also delicious. You guys ever do that? Good stuff in salad. I don't know. Drum roll. It's not a good expression when you first open up your plate of food. What is that? Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. What in the world? Is that my camera? Or somebody look at this. I don't know. Here's got some brown copper rice. A little better tonight. And nice and soft. Whoever cooked this rice cooked it well. Got some steamed zucchini, squash, and carrots. Lightly buttered. With a slight hint of salt. Very delicious. All right. Well, right now, I'm taking this chicken. Yes, it is chicken, and I'm going to say lemon bean chicken. I'm not sure. I could be totally wrong. I don't know. It's okay. This is good. Rice is good. Salad good. This, yeah, it's okay. All right. Well, this is my dinner number 2 from the hospital. One of the most expensive meals I have eaten. And I hope you enjoyed my little sample taste test. Suitsy. Till next time. Well, I don't even know. Maybe I'll be here again.